And we are finally here, guys. We're finally here. We finally made it. It's taken us all this time, but we're finally here. We have today something amazing and something that we've all been waiting for, and that is the initial batches of the Dune Pro being shipped out. As you can see here, all here and down here, we have cases assembled in these boxes, and we are going to take you through the assembly process that we recorded beforehand, and we're going to take you through how this is put together. It's taken us this long and this, over the last year and a bit to get this far. It has been a struggle, actually. Working with new factories, having COVID against us, and then getting into China, and then once getting into China to renegotiate some of these contracts. And while that was going, aluminium prices of materials been going up. Now shipping prices have gone up as well. There's a lot of things that have been going on. But what I can say is that the Dune team did not give up. We did not give up on our backers. We didn't give up on anyone. I know there may have been a lot of backers that kind of gave up on us, but we didn't give up on you. And today this is testament that we have come to completion of the initial production, and we are now going to be shipping our first batches of the Dune Pro case. This is exciting news for everyone. We have cases inside of all of these boxes. These are not empty boxes, and we will show you the assembly process. But I just want to say thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. It feels so good to come here, and it's taken this long to get here. But it feels so good to finally have all these boxes and cases inside these boxes here in the final assembly and ready to ship out. I just wanted to thank every one of our backers that have really, how can I say it, had the patience and supported us and didn't think we were gonna, be an unsuccessful campaign. This moment is quite emotional for me, as I've sacrificed a lot. I've sacrificed my family. I've sacrificed living in China for the last 6 months. I haven't seen my son for a very long time, my family, and it's a lot of sacrifice on my part and a lot of the members of the Dune team. But we are here. I want to thank all of our backers. I want to thank every one of them. And you will be able to get your Dune Pro case very, very soon. What I did want to say is that, yes, we were a couple of days late, but please understand, and you can look this up. This is factual, this is facts, that there were power outages in the last couple of weeks in the Guangdong region. The government all of a sudden has said that a lot of companies in Foshan, Guangdong region and Shenzhen have to stop using the electricity in the building for 3 days of the week. And this is something that set us back from to actually finally get here. So please, all of our backers, I know there were a lot of angry backers over the last couple of days saying we were liars, we're not going to deliver. But we were waiting for this moment to happen, but we couldn't because there were power outages. On Friday I had to get my visa as well, to renew my visa, and they renewed it for another month. And we're finally here. We're finally here. So I just want to say thank you at the bottom of my heart to all of our backers, all of our sponsors that have given us parts and that have sponsored us during the last year and a bit. Thank you to everyone at the bottom of my heart and from the Dune team, that we have finally come to this place of delivering the initial batches of the Dune Pro to you. So thank you. We are in the next video, or the next segment, we're going to be showing the assembly process that was pre-recorded before I took this. But at least everyone here can see that we are now going to be shipping, and later on we'll be announcing the actual first shipments of the Dune Pro that will go out. So thank you everyone, and I hope everyone enjoys the video. Thank you. Now we're here on the assembly line, and as you can see here, we start with the external parts. So we have the doors. The guys are putting this onto the doors here, and there's 1, 2. And over here we have the back and the front panel. And once it's over here, we have our good friend here with the cap. He's doing the assembly. He's putting the studs on. He's putting the bottom and top panel with the stainless steel. He polishes that up, and then over here they start putting the internals in. So they have a screwdriver. They start looking here and start to put all the parts on. Once all the parts are in, it looks like this. And then they start putting all the exterior parts on, as you can see. And then, yeah. As you can see, they'll put all the parts on, and the ladies at the end. Okay. Once you start finishing that, oh. All right, and then they will start to, as you can see here, put this on. Yes, just show from this, yeah. And that's it, guys. So there you have it. We've done a basic assembly here, and they start packing it up, and then once they go here, just follow me, Phil, and then we go all the way around to here, and they'll start stacking up from here onwards.
hạn tích thì rồi. Nhưng mà lấy thảo ra giao việc tóm thì đây là không đâu này.
Here we are, pinning the things on. Okay. Here, putting the boxes. Just want to thank everyone that have come join us at the live. This is a very exciting time for all of our backers, our sponsors, and everyone that's been watching the development of the Dune case. As you saw today, we went briefly through the production that we've been preparing for a while. There was a lot of actually there was a lot of preparation for the production, like screws and a lot of other things like that. But hey, look, we're here now. We've got the production up and running, and we've actually done around quite a number of cases already has been assembled. So as you can see here, these are going to be shipped out today to our initial backers, and every day we'll be having more and more and more that'll be shipped out. So look out in the mail, guys, for your Dune case, because it's coming to your mailbox or your place very soon. Very happy that we've finally come this far. As said before, we have been through, I think, one of the most difficult times in history. We went through, just after we got our campaign funded, we had COVID-19 happen. It was a very difficult time, not for me, but for everyone. And but all of you didn't give up on us, and you still supported us until today. We had COVID that came up. After COVID, I had to try to get into China, which was impossible. And I finally got my visa, and we came in October last year, and 14-day quarantine, couldn't really get anything up and running till November. November, contracts had to be renegotiated, and then right when the contracts were negotiated, what had happened? Aluminium prices started going up, stainless steel prices started going up, and shipping prices started going up. So it's been a struggle. But at the end of the day, we've finally made it here after the long journey together. Everyone here, a big thank you from the Dune team. We're going to ship these cases out to you very, very soon. And I will be here personally every day to ensure that cases do get shipped out to all of our backers. So once again, thank you very much, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed some of the footage from the assembly, and I look forward to answering some of the comments during the live session and after. But my focus for this month and the next couple of weeks is to make sure that this production is smooth, the assembly is very smooth, and make sure the assembly is very smooth, and to obviously analyze some of the problems that is going to be occurring during the assembly, and also refine them to make sure we can get the process quicker for the future batches. So want to thank everyone. We finally have these cases here assembled. These are all the ones that have been assembled, and they just need a shipping box around them, and we're going to start shipping them out. So a big thank you to everyone, sponsors, and everyone that has followed us all this time. And if you haven't bought a Dune case, you should go buy one right now, because we are shipping, and we do have a lot more coming in the weeks to come and the months to come. So very excited, guys, and I hope to see you in the next update. Thank you very much.